Now that I am finished with my corner to corner Afghan square, what I'm going to do is crochet a simple single crochet border around the whole thing. And how I'm going to do that is in each pixel I'm going to crochet 2 single crochets. Just 2 single crochets per pixel. So in this square there's 25 rows, 25 pixels, so on this row there will be 50 single crochets. So in these chain 2 spaces, I'm going to do 2 single crochets, and then each of these that have the half double crochet, you can kind of see there's room for 1, 2, 1, 2. So I'm just going to start, and then I'm not going to do a single crochet between the spaces. Does that make sense? Okay, I'm going to go start in this chain 2 space. I'm just going to do a slip stitch to start. Okay, where's my end to pull tight? Okay, I'm going to do 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, and then in the next pixel, I'm just going to do 2, 1 in each of those half double crochets, in this chain 2 space of the next pixel. In the next pixel there's 2 half double crochet spaces. I'm going to do 1 single crochet in each of them, and just do that all the way around. And I'll show you what I'm going to do in each corner. Okay, so when I get to this last pixel in the corner, I'm going to do my 2 single crochets, and then I'm going to chain 1, kind of turn the corner. So I did a single crochet in each of these half double crochets, I chained 1, and I'm going to turn, and then in this chain space I'm going to do my 2 single crochets. And then continue on, making sure to do only 2 single crochets per pixel. When you get to the bottom of your work, like this is my square and this would be the bottom row. When you get to the bottom, it's going to look a little bit different because instead of your chain 2 space being on this side, it's going to be on this side. So you just have to work 2 single crochets in that last half double crochet. Oops, I got some red in there. So this one's just going to look a little bit different. If you're each side is just going to look a little bit different. You continue doing the same thing. Just work 2 single crochets per pixel. And then slip stitch to the beginning and fasten it off. And then we can easily connect our squares together.